Welcome back everybody, and for those of you that don't know, we had a bit of an issue with the pieces that go around the edges here, and I had to get them recut. I'd kept all these, which the old ones came out of, and a friend of mine kindly recut them from the wood that I picked up, and he recut them all very accurately, but there's a problem. Very kind of him to do it, but the actual laser cut is too wide. So if I can move the camera and show you this back one close up, I've just put that one in there. You can see they're too wide, so I would have a lot of filling to do. So I think the only thing to do is to continue cutting them by hand, which is going to take a long time. I did those two at the front. I give that one a coat of paint to see what it looked like, but they're a lot more accurate. There's no gaps or anything. It just takes time. So that is what I'm going to do, but I'm going to make it easier, because after this stage then the jig gets cut off. It's cut off, see where it narrows, where it gets wider there, so 1 centimetre above there. The only other thing that I have done is I've finished the stern, the transom. So I've put the transom on there. That's got to be sanded back, and on the inside too. And that was the only other thing that had to be done according to the instructions over there before cutting the jig away. So I'm going to do that and then start cutting the things out by hand. But we'll start by cutting the jig. Fingers crossed this goes well. You can see on these that are left in there that the laser cut is quite wide. Unfortunate, but there we go. Right, it's going to be easy to work on with it off the jig. So I was hoping this week to have this off, but as you can see it's taking some time. I've got well on the way on this side, up to the middle, and started on this side from the bow up to the middle. So we'll carry on with this, and hopefully, well, in the next video it will be off. But that's it for this week. Not too much progress, but we're getting there. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, and then you'll be notified of next week's video when this will come off the jig, and we can start working on the inside a lot easier. So we'll see you next week. Bye for now.